You're angry.
I'm angry. And you should also tell them that no more gifts.
No more gifts.
चाट छूट के बोले no more gifts.
नहीं चॉकलेट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग बट इतनी
No,
ज़्यादा-
no, 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 no,
ये
no chocolate.
ये हमारा 3 साल का स्टॉक हो चुका है तो अभी और कुछ नहीं है ना सी
हाँ 6 साल का अभी हमेशा का स्टॉक हो चुका. No more gifts for us. No more chocolates for us. And yeah, back to this. What are you doing next? This is Choco Boy. Thank you for the lovely perfumes, which I totally believe was not required. I'm talking like a teacher, but still. Name, please hold this.
थैंक यू अरे सारी लड़कियों को गिफ्ट्स पसंद होती है कम ऑन डोंट एक्ट लाइक दैट
They're all kids.
इवन आई एम अ किड गिफ्ट्स इज अ नाइस फीलिंग ओके नो
Okay, yeah. So from here on, no gifts. Thank you so much for all this. And then you have.
बटर कुकीज
Thank you for the lovely cookies. Chocolates here. Chocolates here. So we have chocolate balls.
chocolates here
Chocolates here.
chocolates here chocolates
Perfume
here
here. Perfume here.
chocolates
This
here
in the foreground. This
here
here. And
roses.
the golden roses. And the boxes.
and Domino's
Hey, there's something written here. Wait. What do you deliver at 250 locations in India? 95 countries around the world. No, this is not for us. Happy Valentine's Day from Radical Residence. Please check your Instagram PMs. Personal message hoga. Personal messages when opening the gift, as your messages from us is there.
oh phone
Phone Skype. So, Instagram.
personal messages are there
I'm glad we saw this,
yeah man
Okay. Hi, actually we sent a gift for you both a while back. We know that you have been busy, and I have read this message. Busy and may not even be able to receive the gifts. However, it does have chocolates. First of all, we have all the time in the world for our Rosidans, because you guys, we love you. That's why. And but I'm sorry from both of us that we couldn't do it in time. It's a little delayed this time. Okay. However, it does have chocolates in it. You got the expression. It does have chocolates in it, and we don't want that to get spoiled. You think we'll let it get spoiled? We will kill it. We will kill them all with our mouth. We'll eat them like dinosaurs. And we have. So we were wondering if you could receive the gift soon. We tried getting in touch with India Forums people.
but we have not
Heard from them.
a while too
Really? You did that?
so they decided to send it to us
Yeah, so we decided to message you. Yes, and it is with us. And listen, there is a reply to you from me, which is about no sending gifts from henceforth. And there's a reply from you, which I'm reading now. No, I have read. Okay, oh, that's sweet. We are proud to be your fans, so of such loving stars.
but आपने क्या रिप्लाई किया वो तो भेजो
वो में उन्होंने पढ़ लिया. So basically,
Good boys and good
we are proud
girls.
of being your fans. We are proud that you love us so much. We feel blessed that we have fans like you. We don't feel blessed about this part. Please avoid this from henceforth. It's very sweet of you. We love you for this. But henceforth, no. I'm sorry, मेरी सुई वहीं stuck up हो गई है.
नहीं बट बिल्कुल नो बिकॉज इतनी चॉकलेट भी अगर मैंने खाती तो आपकी रोली का साइज बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा
आपको एक रोली चाहिए, 1.5 रोली चाहिए एक में.
फिर मैं सिद्धांत की मम्मी लगूंगी नो आई एम सीरियस
या और सिद्धांत भी फूल जाएगा तो सिद्धांत खुद का पापा लगेगा. So it's not a good idea. So whatever it is, it's very sweet of you. Thank you so much for doing all this for us. And
We love you.
The vital information you needed about the track, we have just got the confirmation, because there were a lot of stories doing the rounds which we were sad about and we were confused about. But finally today we get the confirmed news that Siddhant dies, and Siddhant dies forever. What is going to happen henceforth from here on, we have no idea. But they said there is some surprise, and there is some assurity from the creatives that there is something really interesting and which we will love. And according to them, what we love is what Rosidans love. So we are hoping that there is a surprise in store, that Siddhant comes back. And Siddhant comes back in such a way that we have a lot of nok chonk and we have a lot of fun scenes together. So looking forward to it, and handing it over to my little friend who is holding her little cheeks in her hand.
Little cheeks. We love you. We love you lots. And we shall have a nice roasted scene soon.
Hopefully, yes. Fingers crossed. And hoping that we keep receiving your love forever and we keep loving you the way we do forever. God bless you all. Mwah.
Hi, I'm Avika Gaur. Keep watching India Forums and also do subscribe to WhatsApp TV.